and beyond. The Weather Channel, the Winter Weather Authority. Now you're local on the 8's.
A wind chill advisory is in effect for our area. Currently in our area, 10 degrees with blowing snow. Our local Doppler radar. For tonight, windy, snow showers ending early, low 3, winds north-northwest at 20 to 30 miles per hour, chance of snow 50%. And on Wednesday, cloudy, very cold, high 16, winds north-northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And Wednesday night, a few clouds near record low temperatures, low -4, winds north-northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. And on Thursday, a few clouds in the morning, but mainly sunny, cold, high 24. The week ahead.